Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video, friends. Today's video is a Poshmark unboxing. I bought a haul of items from another Posher on Poshmark, and I'm going to open it up and share it with you. I thought this would be a great way for many resellers to learn that, well, a bunch of things. One, if you need inventory, Poshmark can be a great place for you to source for your reselling business. And I figured I'd open this with you so that we can all learn what it's like to shop from another Posher. There's so much to learn, you guys, from that. For one, I got to see how she took pictures in her closet, how she advertised her sale, how she communicated with me, and then how quickly she shipped and what her packaging looks like. So most of the stuff I did buy for myself, and I threw some things in that I thought, hey, I could resell and help pay for some of my own personal purchases. That is such a good perk of being a reseller. Are you with me? So let me tell you a little bit about my purchase, and then we're going to dive into unboxing. So this Posher was having a 4 for $28 sale, which I thought was so awesome. Have you guys done that? I've seen it before, like 3 items for $25 or 4 for $28. So I think that's another great thing that we can learn, how a person markets a sale. I know I've seen them a lot on Instagram, so that's a great place to advertise if you're planning on running some kind of Poshmark sale like that. So she was having 4 for $28, which means each item was only $7. So I bundled together 12 items, which is really smart. It's a great way if you're going to source for your business, because then you only pay the shipping cost once. So my total for the whole order, including shipping and tax, was $98.65 for 12 items. So that breaks down to be $8.16 an item if you're counting shipping and tax and all that, which you need to do if you're buying this for your own business to resell. Like I said, this is a combo box. It's gonna be some stuff for me. Another cool thing, it's like she had a lot of Free People. That's one of my favorite brands. And so that's another learning that you can take. If you have a lot of one popular brand in your Poshmark closet, then people can really shop it. Like I was able to grab a bunch of different Free People items. That's a tip you might wanna try in your own closet, to have a lot of one brand or a lot of one style. I've seen people do it where they have a bunch of maternity clothes or a bunch of fitness clothes, because that, my friends, encourages people to bundle. And we all totally love getting a Poshmark sale that is a bundle. Okay, so I'm already noting several things that I think we can learn from. So she put this in a big brown box, a recycled box. It looks like from Amazon Prime or something. Not a priority box. And the clothes are kind of just thrown in there. Do you guys do that? Every Posher does it different. No judgment about what way you do it. I think it's just curious. So I personally fold everything up nicely and I put it in plastic bags, and I do it kind of really neat. I know some Poshers wrap everything in tissue paper or put thank you notes or stickers. It's great because you own your own business and you get to do it the way you want in your business. So I'm just noting, and I already decided, friends, I'm not going to share with you the person's closet that I bought this from, because some of you may think, that's a great job she did, and I love the stuff. Awesome deal, Quenby. And that'd be no problem. But some people might be like, hey, that wasn't so great, or I didn't like the way she did this or that. And I never want to call anybody out on social media. I don't believe in doing that. I keep it positive. This channel is all about encouragement and support and learning. So I chose not to do that. Let's jump into the box and see what we got. 12 items of goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is Free People. It's a size medium, and it's got this beautiful lace top, and it's got these like kimono sleeves, and it's like white like gauze, like a super thin gauze on this one. Now this says medium, and to me this looks really small. So it kind of looks like the top I have on. That is so funny. This top I have on, in case anyone's wondering, I got in a Jomar box. I have a ton of Jomar unboxings on my channel. I just love ordering from them, and I have a discount link in the description if you want to try it. But I got a women's box. This is a Chico's top, but look at all the fringe, and it's so boho, and you know I'm coming to you from Northern California. I love my boho fashion, so. But I was thinking of myself in mind for this top, but now it's looking a little bit cropped. I don't see any condition issues. I'll let you know if I do. All of these were listed as excellent condition. Do you guys put excellent condition in your listings? Or what do you put? For myself and my business, I put gently used without flaws, or if there's any flaws, I note them. This is another Free People top. It doesn't have a size, and it's like a black and white, also kind of a cropped length, kind of a deep V with a pocket, super cute. And look at the bow on the hem of the sleeve. I like that. These things are looking a little bit small though. I'm like a 10, 12 on a good day. So I like Free People because it's so oversized, but these things are looking kind of small. This is one of my favorite brands to resell. The brand is Vince. That is not Vince Camuto, it's Vince period. It's sold at places like Nordstrom. It's very high end. This is a simple piece for them. It's just a linen t-shirt, but man, does it feel amazing. And this probably retailed for like over $100. This looks very oversized, so I'm glad. Like, this is the sort of thing that I can live in around the house, be comfortable in, and if I don't like the fit or I'm done with it, I get to resell it on Poshmark or eBay. I've been on Poshmark for like 2, maybe 3 years. I've been on eBay selling women's fashion and clothes for 10 years. Oh, I forgot to do my intro. Hi guys. Welcome to the channel. I'm Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. I have another channel all about mental health called The Grateful Therapist, so come find me over there. We can chat about anger or anxiety or grief issues. And I sell part-time on eBay. I've been doing it for 10 years, mostly women's fashion, clothes, shoes, accessories, things like that. It's a great part-time gig, and we talk all about it here on the channel. This is Free People. It's an extra small, super cute elastic waist with all this like cutout. So this might look really nice on. Cute. I don't know personally if I would have listed these as excellent condition. These look like great condition. There's no holes or stains or anything that I'm noticing, but for me, excellent, I only use if it's like new. I prefer in my business to under promise, over deliver. So I'd rather have the customer get it and be like, wow, this is in much better shape than I even thought for pre-owned. I don't ever want someone to get something and be disappointed. So I just put gently used. What do you guys do though? Leave it in the comments. This is awesome. Ooh, this is Athleta. I forgot what I ordered because, I mean, she shipped it pretty quick. She shipped it in like 2 days. It got here really fast. So that's a real positive. But I kind of forgot what I threw in there. Have you guys shopped someone's like 4 for $28 sale? It's a really great deal. Athleta size medium. I buy this to resell my business all the time. This is an oversized sweater, black sweater, which is pretty awesome because Athleta I think of more like yoga leggings, tank tops, fitness activewear, but this doesn't even have to be activewear. Now it does have a little bit of pills on it. I have the best D-pillar, D-lint remover, whatever you want to call it, in the description section of this video. Of all the helpful links I have down there, of all the products I suggest, that lint remover is amazing. And it's cheap. I think it's like 20 or 25. It doesn't need batteries, so you can just charge it. And I can just run over this no problem. But a little bit of linties on there. I like it though. She had great stuff in her closet, and I think she was really smart. This looks really pilly. I'm kind of picky about that stuff though, I totally admit it. We the Free, this is cool. It's just like a super thin, light, just like a comfy shirt, which is what I need right now. I have plenty of blouses for work. I need like around the house clothes. This is extra small, but it looks oversized like most Free People stuff, and it kind of feels linen-y. And just so you know, We the Free is just another line of Free People. When I'm listing, I put both because most people are probably searching Free People. So I'll put Free People, We the Free top. So I'm gonna try all this stuff on, and anything that like doesn't fit me well, I'm just going to resell and keep what I want. Ooh, this is cool. So this is another tag you might see, another We the Free for free people. This is a color block top, super cute. Ooh, look at that. It's like brown on the top, burgundy on the bottom, oversized, boxy. See, I'll just live in something like this around the house, like so comfy. I love this stuff. How do you think I'm doing with this box? This looks awesome. Look at this. Okay, this is Cloth and Stone. I love this brand and it's really expensive. Do you guys know this brand, Cloth and Stone? They do a lot of this stuff. Oh, I love this. Look at that. Like a large check print with a pocket and the back has a button detail. That is so nice. I hope it fits. I noticed this brand runs a little bit small, which is why I always put measurements in all my listings. Friends, I want to make sure you take a moment and subscribe to the channel and turn on that little bell next to the subscribe button. That notifies you when I go live. I go live and do a reseller community night every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific, and you get to network with other resellers and make friends. It's really educational and it's really encouraging. And I put out a few videos a week all about reselling. I do a ton of unboxings, thrift hauls, a lot of educational things. So we would love to have you here in our community on the channel. So please take a moment to subscribe. I know that some of you don't put measurements and I totally respect whatever you want to do in your business. Here's my logic. I'm like a size 10, 12. I'm petite. I'm very curvy. I'm not just a size small or large or in anything. It really varies. And when I shop, I only buy things that have measurements unless I'm really, really familiar with the brand, because I'm a different size and different styles, different brands. So when I shop, I need them. So I provide measurements for my customers. Do you guys do that? It is time consuming. I kind of wish I didn't have to. I love this. And I think it's linen. So that's a good brand to keep your eye out for. Ooh, I love these things. Look at this. This is one shirt? Oh, it's all layered. Okay. So I've sold this shirt so many times in orange. In fact, I think I still have one of these in my Posh closet in orange. So this is We the Free size medium. And see, this is called a waffle knit. See how it kind of looks like thermal? So in my title, I put waffle thermal in the description. This is super long, super layered. These usually have thumb holes. Yeah, super comfy and great. And I love white. I mean, it's January and I'm sitting here in a white top. I mean, because I live in California, I can kind of get away with that, but I love white. Everyone always says, Quenby, how can you wear so much white? I'm afraid I'm going to stain it. And I'm like, yeah, me too. I just do. Like, I just wear it and sometimes I stain it. Sometimes I dribble the coffee down it or whatever. And I just like, whatever. I throw it in with some bleach or it has a little spot. I just don't worry about it. So these are really nice. What I'm noticing about this one though is the V-neck is super low. Like this is going to be very low cut. I would have to layer this. So if that doesn't work, I know I can sell that because the waffle thermal knits from Free People are really popular. What's this? I can't even remember. Look at this great color and print. Super oversized, whatever this is. Wow. I don't know. So this is Intimately Free People. Yet another Free People tag. That's why I'm showing them to you, because if maybe you're newer or not as familiar with Free People, I've shown you like 4 different tags already. And I've shown you this is Free People Intimately, there's Free People We the Free, there's New Romantics, there's Free People Movement. They have tons within the brand. This is a super duper oversized, I don't know if this is a top or a dress, but it looks huge. And I think it's like a small. And Free People is so known for that. It's a medium. I mean, look at this. I just don't know how this is going to look on. It's so big. I don't know if this is going to look good on me, but isn't that an awesome thing about our business? We get to try stuff. Like, okay, I ordered all this stuff from her. It was relatively cheap. I'm hoping to keep most of it for myself, but if something doesn't fit right or I don't like it, no big deal, Quenby. Just resell it, you know, and I'll make my money back. I know I can make $8 profit on any of these. This one's neat. We the Free. And this, see, this looks so much bigger than in the pictures, but look at this. So many Free People details. So see, the sleeve is all cut out kind of like lace, and the back is too, and it's a very long tunic-y sort of thing. So we'll see how this looks on. I'm telling you, when I saw this on the hanger in her Posh closet, it didn't look this huge. So, you know, that's why another reason I love to do measurements, because sometimes the picture doesn't show it all. Alrighty, let me guess. Another Free People chop? Yeah, probably. Yeah, another We the Free, and this is an ivory thermal. Oversized, just like comfy, cozy. The cut on these things is really good, and the quality of Free People, like the fabrics and stuff, is really great. So I'm super happy with this order. I'm gonna try things on. Like I said, whatever I don't like, I'll just resell. It wasn't that expensive. I mean, I think she did a really great job with the sale. That was an awesome thing she did. And then having a lot of similar styles and brands so I could shop and bundle. That encourages people to bundle. The packaging and the packaging and how the item showed up, I think not so great for me personally, but what I care about at the end of the day is how the product looks, and I didn't see any flaws or anything like that. I personally don't need, as a buyer, cards and tissue paper. If you do that and you like doing it and it helps your business, fantastic. But as a buyer, I personally don't need it. But to see everything kind of just rolled up and shoved in there, not the best. So that's my thoughts on that. Is there anything you learned from this Poshmark interaction? What do you think of my haul? Let me know, and I'll see you, friends, in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.